Hi, it's Miss Chris from the Wonder Room. Let's take a peek inside the Wonder Room and see what invitations are out. We've got some magnet tiles and we've added some pipe cleaner pieces. Over here, can investigate and look at some shells. We have some stacking dudes, I think they're called. On our sticky wall, we have these shapes. We've created a little small world ocean with shells and ocean animals and boats. That's colored salt. We've mixed regular table salt and Epsom salt with food coloring to make something that looks like water or sand, and added the funnels and the containers. And a couple little spots there. And then we've changed out a little bit in this room. We have a little camping habitat. We have our boats out, so we've put a lot of the trucks and cars away and we've changed those out with our campers and our boats. Of course, we always have houses and some of the other manipulatives and discovery type toys. Ice cream shop. And here's camping, big world play or dramatic play. And there's a little store to get some food. And then you can camp. And let's see what's in our treasure chest. Oh, there's some maps and things to encourage some exploration. And of course, we added books. Hope that offers a little inspiration for your summer setups, your summer invitations. Have a great day.